If you are planning a roof replacement in South Elgin, Illinois during the colder months, it helps to weigh the benefits against the limitations. Winter roofing is possible in many situations, but timing and conditions matter. The right approach depends on whether your roof is failing, the forecast, and how prepared your roofing team is for cold weather installation. One advantage of replacing your roof in winter is that you can protect your home sooner. If you have active leaks, lifted shingles, or storm-related wear, waiting until spring can allow moisture to spread into decking, insulation, and interior drywall. In that case, moving forward with a new roof installation can help limit secondary damage. Scheduling can also be a benefit. Depending on demand, some homeowners find that roof replacement contractors are more flexible during the colder months, making it easier to secure a project window before spring storms arrive. However, winter roof replacement has real constraints. Cold weather can reduce the number of safe work days due to snow, ice, or high winds. Crews may need to pause due to unsafe conditions or to prevent moisture from entering exposed areas during the tear-off phase. Materials can also behave differently in cold weather, so handling and sealing details require extra care. Cost can vary as well. Some winter projects may require additional protection steps and cleanup time, especially on steep or complex roof lines. If you are planning a roof replacement in Kane County, talk with your contractor about realistic weather windows and job site protection steps. If you are considering roof replacement in South Elgin, Illinois, and want a clear recommendation based on your roof conditions and the season, Apex Exteriors Incorporated can help. Contact our team to schedule an inspection and talk through the best next step for your home.